Hello children, welcome to the offline classes. This is 5th standard SST. All of you open your SST textbook, page number 227. Page number 227. In this first lesson they have given 3 parts. Already we have studied 2 parts. This is the third part, the oceans. The oceans. In the previous period we have studied already. What we have studied? Continents and oceans. How many continents? 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents and 5 oceans. We have studied, children. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the 7 continents. Yes, children. And then Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Yes. Continents are huge land masses on the earth's surface, surrounded by seas and oceans in most cases. Yes, children. Already you have studied. Now we are going to study about the oceans. Oceans. Yes, children. Already little bit you have studied, no? What do you mean by oceans? Yes. The sea, the open sea, the blue, the fresh, the ever free. Without a mark, without a bound, it runneth the earth-wide regions round. It plays with the clouds. It mocks the skies, or like a cradled creature lies. This is how the poet Barry Cornwall describes the water encircling the earth. See here, children, these are the clouds. Yes or no? Every day you have seen, no? On the sky. Yes, in the rainy season, the clouds are very dark blue. See here, in this poet, Barry Cornwall describes the water encircling the earth. We know that nearly 70% of the earth's surface is water. Already you know, na children? So, the earth's surface is water is 70%. The water is 70% is on the earth's surface. Yes. There are different kinds of water bodies. There are different kinds of water bodies. The difference is mostly in size and boundaries. Yes, children. In every water bodies have different size and boundaries. Size and boundaries. We will study about one by one. The larger stretches of water which separate the continents are called oceans. Yes. The larger stretches of water which separate the continents are called oceans. It is separated the continents. The larger stretches of water is separated the continents is called oceans. The smaller bodies are known as seas, little bit small. The bodies little bit small, we call those seas, gulfs, bays, canals, straits. Yes, children, these are the names of small bodies of the oceans. Yes, children. See here, this is the map. Here Europe is there. Atlantic Ocean. What is this? Atlantic Ocean. Here Black Sea. This is Black Sea. Mediterranean Ocean. Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Africa. Here Europe. Here Africa. In between Mediterranean Sea is there. One side Black Sea is there. One side Red Sea is there. See here, children. Africa, Asia here, between Mediterranean Sea is there. Sea, what do you mean by sea? a smaller body of salt water. A smaller body of salt water partly enclosed by a landmass. The sea is enclosed by a landmass with a small body of salt water. It is connected to an ocean. Where it is connected? It is connected to an ocean. Sometimes a sea is completely enclosed. Sometimes it has completely enclosed by land. Example, the Caspian Sea. Which sea is enclosed completely by the land? The Caspian Sea is completely enclosed by land. So, this is the Caspian Sea. The next one is here. See here, this is the map. This is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Gulf of Mexico. What is this? Gulf of Mexico. This is Mexico. These are the United States of America. See here, this is United States of America. This is Gulf of Mexico. This is only Mexico. This is Pacific Ocean. Okay. Gulf means, here see, already you have studied. Gulf, what do you mean by Gulf? A large part of an ocean. This is smaller body of a salt water, it is sea. A large part of an ocean or sea that is partially enclosed by land. This is completely enclosed. This is partially enclosed by land. It has a narrow mouth than a bay. It has a narrower mouth than a bay. We call it Gulf. Yes, children. Next one, strait. Strait. A narrow passage of water. A narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two large areas of water. Two large lakes, otherwise a lake and a sea. Totally two water. Two narrow passages of water, those are connecting. We call those strait. See here, children. Atlantic Ocean, it is Portugal. Already in history you have studied, no children? Europe, Spain, Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar. Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Morocco. Morocco, Africa. This is the Africa. Africa is a continent, no? Yes. Europe is also continent. Europe is the sixth largest, second smallest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. Yes, children. Next, bay. What do you mean by bay? They have given here bay. But meaning of bay is a body of water partly enclosed by land. A body of water partly enclosed by land. It is smaller than a gulf. A large part of an ocean or a sea is gulf. It is smaller than a gulf. It is smaller than gulf, so we call it bay. But with a wider mouth. Here narrower mouth. It has a narrower mouth in gulf. Here it is wider mouth in bay. Next, canal. A passage of water that is wider than a strait. A narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two large areas of water, we call it strait, no? A passage of water that is wider than a strait. Yes, children. This is English Canal. United Kingdom, UK. United Kingdom. Here North Sea. Here Atlantic Ocean. Here Celtic Sea. France. Irish Sea. See here, children. These are the seas. These are the seas. Here United Kingdom is there. This is English Canal. Water that is wider than a strait. Yes, the next one is cove. A small coastal inlet with a narrow restricted entrance. It is smaller than a bay. It is smaller than bay. It is smaller than bay. The bay is smaller than Gulf. The bay is smaller than Gulf. The cave is smaller than bay. These are all bodies of salt water. These are all bodies of salt water. These are the oceans and seas, lakes also. So, these having only salt waters. Okay, children. Next page we have to turn. Next one we have to study. The earth vast stretches of water are divided into 5 oceans and many seas. The earth stretches. The earth vast stretches of water are divided into 5 oceans and many seas. Actually there is only one world ocean, one continuous body of salt water. There are no real borders and the water flows around freely based on the continents that frame them. The world ocean has been divided into 5 major oceans. The world ocean, only one is there, but it is divided into 5 major oceans. You have to remember this one. Actually there is only one world ocean, one continuous body of salt water, only one is there, but this world ocean has been divided into 5 major oceans. You can remember this one. In decreasing order of size, these are the Pacific. The decreasing means small to big. No, big to small. In bigger size to smaller size, it will go. See here, in decreasing order of size, these are the Pacific Ocean first. Next, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. These are the decreasing order of sizes in the oceans. Here, the first one we have to study. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north all the way to the Southern Ocean in the south. Southern Ocean in the south. It separates the 2 Americas. It separated 2 Americas, North America and South America, from Asia and Australia. See here, this is a world map. Here Europe is there, Greenland is there, North Atlantic Ocean. This is North America, this is South America. See here children, South Atlantic Ocean. See here, the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest. This is the largest and deepest ocean, which is Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest. It is almost S-shaped. Which shaped is there? S-shaped, as it skirts Europe and Africa to the east and the 2 Americas, north and south, to the west side. East, west, north, south. Which side is there? It is west side. Yes children, we can't see here. The letters are very small in size. We can't visible. The Indian Ocean is the third largest. The Indian Ocean is the third largest. Atlantic is the second largest. Indian is the third largest. It has Asia to the north, Africa to the west, Australia to the east and Southern Ocean to the south. Southern Ocean to the south. Yes or no? Yes. Southern Ocean to the south. See here, Asia to the north. Asia to the north. Africa to the west. Africa to the west. It is named after India, the only ocean which is named after a country. So we call it one Indian Ocean. Why? Because it is named after India, no? The only ocean which is named after a country. Only this one. The Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It encircles the continent of Antarctica. In 2000 AD, the International Hydrographic Organization labeled this as the fifth ocean. This as the fifth ocean, which includes the southern portion of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. It lies in the southern hemisphere. In this side, southern hemisphere, this is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. In between the equator is there. It lies in the southern hemisphere. The next one, last one is the Arctic Ocean, is the smallest and shallowest of the oceans. It is located in the northern hemisphere. Mostly within the Arctic Circle, it is mostly covered with ice. It is mostly covered with ice. Russia, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada and United States are the 6 countries that border the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean covered by the 6 countries. Those are Russia, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada and United States. Yes, children. Tomorrow we will continue next part. Okay, take care and bye.